We're gonna look right now at a really amazing desert life form. This stuff, all right here, this black stuff, is called Cryptobiotic Sand. It's a cool name for a cool life form. This stuff is a type of cyanobacteria, which is unique because even though it's a microscopic life form, it builds a colony and a physical structure. This is a photosynthetic life form. What it does is it takes in water and it separates it, the hydrogen and the oxygen. The hydrogen, it turns into carbohydrates for food, and it gets rid of the oxygen and gives us atmosphere. But it also will take the sand around it and cement it together in these structures, these little domes all over. You can see this is vital to holding the landscape together. Otherwise, every time it rains, this whole area would just get washed out because it's just sand. But once it makes that foothold by cementing sands together, you can see there's also little bits of lichen growing off of it, and then in turn that makes a little dust and soil can build in and start to grow through, and then trees can grow from there. So the entire desert ecosystem is based off of this very delicate desert crust over the top. And the really neat thing about it, its only living relative is the stromatolite. Stromatolites are what made our world, made our atmosphere. It's a prehistoric life form. You still find them in parts of the ocean or even in the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Stromatolites are a type of cyanobacteria, and what they do is they grow, they take calcium carbonate and make an exoskeleton, kind of like coral, to hold them together, and then you get these little tiny globes all around, like this, but bigger. So again, this is the desert version of an oceanic life form. It's really cool, and it's growing all over the place here. And again, this is called cryptobiotic sand.